think that it's really fun here, and there's a lot of rooms, so you don't have to be like squished in a tiny room. And we play a lot of games. We do fun things.
What else do you do?
We use a parachute.
Do you learn some cool moves?
Yeah, we do. We learn some cool moves. We exercise in the beginning and wake me up.
And what about the coaches?
They're all the best.
We agree 100%. Carozo, the best place you could be. Builds their confidence, gives them a lot to look forward to. If they have any problems, the coaches are totally willing to work with us. So I think it's absolutely the best place you could possibly send your child. And it's a real true family here. And we love it. Right? Thumbs up, buddy.